Okay, this piece is the actual switch. You look closely, there's a contact there, and there's this, and that is what connects the contacts and completes the circuit, right? This piece fits here. I won't put it in all the way, but it fits in there, and that fits here. It doesn't do that now because there's a gap in between them. But let me see if adjusting it, prying it a bit out, it seems to do the trick. Yeah. See. So they're there. I pried the contacts together, and looks like it's working. So, see, there's that. That lights. That. Okay. This is the switch that's in that mechanism, the latching mechanism. Alright, this is the actual switch, and you can see there, that's what swings closed. This is a closed, with the door closed, and then this is when it's open. And when it swings open, it makes contact, or it joins the two contacts together, creating the circuit, or completing the circuit, excuse me. Okay, so this was kind of faulty right there. I just kind of went ahead and pried the contact a little bit closer to the contacts, and I just slightly, like almost like half a millimeter, really moved the contacts together, or towards one side, so that then they would definitely make contact to the clip here. Right? It's hard to see, but there's two contacts in there. So, anyways, you can see here now. Put this together, and we have light inside. So I'm gonna pretend to close the back door. Lights turn off. Open it. Lights turn on. Off, on, off, on, open, or open, close, open, close. Okay, now to put everything back together. There's this, which is a switch again, and then there's this little rubber, just stopper. See? Simple. Goes there, and this fits this way. It fits there. You have to push it all the way down though, until it clicks. So it's clicked, and there's that. That little rod connects there, and that pulls this up, and that goes ahead and opens the door. If you do attempt to do this, be careful with this. That metal rod that I was showing you earlier, this one right in there, that connects to the locking mechanism right here, this fits in there, and you have to be just kind of gentle taking it out. You have to pry it out, and it should come out pretty easily. Now this goes right in there. Then you see, I hope you see, it just snaps in. And this goes in here, of course. And look at that, it's on. So they're on, it works. Put that back. It's gonna help it through. There it goes. And then when you're taking these bolts off or these screws off, they're really tough. So you're gonna want to use something to help you get some torque on it because they were really tough. So it's there. It's on there. There it goes. So this is open. That's closed. And that's open again. So yeah, that's what it is. Open. All right, there you go. Oh, I know what the deal is with this one. These, the contacts, I gotta maybe put some solder behind that, so then it makes contact again. But that's the issue there. I'll show you that at another date.